Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Lhasa Cricket Ground after a long time. And it's that time of the year again, where we come together for the Big Bash. Excitement has been building throughout the year. There's been a lot of talks, a lot of players discussions, player transfers. But here we are, all the teams are registered, everything is set in place, the ground is ready, and here we are on the first day of the start of Big Bash. Like all the previous years, organized by Lhasa Cricket Club here. So we would like to thank Lhasa for all the organizations, all this beautiful setup that is here. We would like to thank Subi Thomas for making it possible live. For everyone, for our viewers here in Norway and all around the world. So a big round of applause for Lhasa and Subi there. This is the third edition of Big Bash, and it's bigger and better than ever. You know, every year we've been growing, the ground is growing, the teams are growing, the quality of cricket has been growing. And that's what our main aim is, to make cricket better and better and bigger. So we would like to bring together the main important players or people who've made this possible, the committee members. So I would like to call them on the stage. Some of them are already here. So Raju ji, he's the most senior and the main committee member. We have Chandan with us. We have Amit, Rishi, and Gajanan. Where is he? So Gajanan is busy doing other things. And then we have Subi Thomas. You heard already from him. He traveled all the way from Denmark just to make this possible for you guys. Yeah, via Denmark. And then we have Anil with us as well. So these men have put a lot of effort behind the scenes just to make everything possible here. So big round of applause for all of them. So right now we are in Lhasa Cricket Ground, and we also have some construction that's planned on this ground for the main pitch. So there is a possibility that we will be doing this instead of one, now it's two grounds. So it's, as we said, it's getting bigger and better, right? So we're going overseas to Hundwag. So, and then also to the gravel ground. That's also 3 grounds this time. So it is a lot of parallel activity going, a lot of excitement going. So Subi Thomas might have to do 2 channels parallelly for making all these possible. So this year we have 12 teams. A lot of new teams come in, a lot of new players come in. So we would like to welcome all the new teams to the Big Bash event. We have Group A, that is
Elite.
So we have divided all the teams into 2 groups this time. So first group is, there are 6 teams in that. So we would like to welcome all the teams, starting with Elite Cricket Club. Give a round of applause for them, please. Haugesund Cricket Club, traveling all the way from Haugesund. The Stavanger Tigers, the last year's winners. The defending champions are also here. The 12th man, Warriors. They've already put 2 teams as usual. So Warrior 11B and Warrior 11A. So that's a tough Group A that you see there. And then we have Group B as well. Starting with Afghan Falcons. Any representatives? The BBS Tigers. Equinor Cricket Club. The Madla Raptors. Stavanger Royals. And the good old Titans. So with all the teams, you can see there's a lot of excitement lied ahead for us in the next couple of weeks. Hope to bring a lot of entertainment to you through the Subi Thomas channel. And then please tune in all around the world, and we will soon commence with the first match today. Thank you. Anything from the committee members?
Yeah, Vishal has said everything. I don't want to add more to it, but nevertheless, let's enjoy the sport. Let's play the sport with the good spirit of the game, and have fun, guys. Welcome to Big Bash T10.